Welcome to Survival on a Budget Made Easy. In this video, we're taking a look at some pickles, pickled and pickle juice. If you want to learn more about them, I'll be right back. Okay, welcome back to Survival on a Budget Made Easy. Like I said, we're going to be trying some, I should say, I'm going to be trying some eggs pickled in pickle juice. Now, I just hard-boiled 4 eggs for 9 minutes. And I went out and I had a jar, or bought a jar, of great value whole dill pickles. I ate the pickles but had the juice left over. And there's this Facebook group called, I think it's For the Love of Pickles. And somebody said about doing pickled eggs and pickle juice. I never heard such a thing, but to me that actually makes sense. I've had them in here for 3 days. When I first stuck them in, they were floating. As you've seen, they're kind of sunk to the bottom. There we go. Oh. Oh. It reminds me of that Dr. Seuss book, Green Eggs and Ham. I don't like green eggs and ham, Sam I am. Now, what's weird about it, it kind of looks like the eggs kind of shrunk, to be honest. I started off with medium eggs, and I could have swore they were bigger than this. Let's go ahead, cut one open, see what it looks like. You just got a slight ring around it. Now, some people said let them soak for 3 days. Some people said let them soak for 5. Some people said let them soak for a month. But apparently, they're good for 3 to 4 months in your refrigerator. Well, let's go ahead, give it a taste. I gotta say, that is amazingly good. It really is. If you ever had deviled eggs and you had, I know some people put pickle relish in it, and it kind of has that taste to it. It kind of reminds me of a deviled egg taste, but with a stronger pickle taste. That is definitely good. Yeah, like I said, I never made these before. I never even thought about doing them like this. But all in all, on a 1 to 5 star rating, I think I might like there's bread and butter pickles better, but overall, I have to give this at least a 4.5. That surprised me. It really does. I was hesitant to try it because I thought, well, it sounds kind of gross, but it actually works. It actually tastes good, and it's easy. It's a great way to reuse your pickle juice. Yeah, so if you try these, let me know. Let me know what you think. If you like them or not, either way, it's okay. Do me a favor, click on that subscribe button. And as always, thank you for watching.